Elizabeth is 13 months old and she has figured it out. You gonna walk to mommy? Come on. Wow, you're so fast. You are such a fast walker. Wanna go again? She just took 3 steps 3 days ago, and now she's full on walking across the room. You gonna go again? Yay, what a big girl! You're such a fast learner. You gonna go back? Frankenstein-ish. You're okay, you got it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, bonk.
Stand up. Stand up.
There you go.
Yay.
Jazz hands. Look at her go. Dance, dance, dance.
Dance, dance, dance. Elizabeth? Elizabeth, where's your nose?
Whoa, good balance.
Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Hey.
She's too busy walking, Daddy. Look at her go. Hi, can you say hi? There you go. You look like such a big girl. Where are you going? Her favorite thing, going up the steps. I see you.